today we're going to talk about cutting tile around a bathroom or any sort of easily curved shape. I have a piece of paper that I've cut, which is a template of my tile. You can do this by measuring or just by placing it on a tile. I am going to set it in this gap, and this time I put tile here and here, so I'm making sure that my paper is going to fit, and then I just press into this corner. You can also take a pencil after you've pressed it and draw out the curve, and then we're going to cut that curve out. And then I'm going to make sure that it fits. And then I'm going to place this on my tile. I can mark with pencil on my tile, this curve. And you can either hold the paper and cut it, or if you made a mark, pencil erases. So we're going to cut this. And then before I peel off the sticky, I'm going to make sure that it fits, and it does. And I'm just going to brush off this area to make sure there's no dust or water or anything in this edge. Peel off my sticky. You can use the backing as a template, but it curls up. So I just use regular copy paper. And then we're going to line this up. Press it down, and it fit perfectly. This other edge here that's left, I can come back with some caulking or white paint and just caulk the edge of that, and it will look nice.